Hi everyone, this is Bad Brick Creatives. So today I'm gonna show you my custom Lego Bad Batch Turbo Tank. So this is the big guy. But first I will show you the Bad Batch minifigures that we have. So for the first one we have Wrecker, the tank person of the team. This armor actually came from a War Machine minifigure, and this head and this helmet came from Wrecker minifigure from World Minifigs, and the upper and lower body came from a clone trooper. And I also gave him a custom painted knife. Next one we have Crosshair. The whole minifigure came from worldminifigs.com. I also gave him a custom pauldron and a sniper rifle. And next we have Sergeant Hunter, the leader of the Bad Batch. The whole minifigure came from World Minifigs 2, and I also made a custom pauldron for him. And this here came from a Snape minifigure from the Lego Harry Potter set. And then this one, his name is Tech, the super intelligent and tech specialist of the Bad Batch. This one came from World Minifigs. And this hair came from a Malfoy minifigure from the Harry Potter set also. So lastly we have the newest member of the Bad Batch and the former soldier of the Republic. This one is Echo. So the upper body and the lower body came from World Minifigs, and this helmet came from a stormtrooper. I'm sorry, a clone trooper. And this earphones or headphones came from a SWAT minifigure. So let's proceed to the main event. So this is the Bad Batch clone turbo tank. So actually it is a regular clone turbo tank, and I just customized it to make it specially made for the Bad Batch minifigures. So let's start with the outer part. So as you can see, there's a bunch of cannons. So this is the cannon for the rear part of the turbo tank. So this is actually an original part of the Lego set. I just transferred it from here to here. So it rotates 360 degrees. And for this part, so I made this cannon to replace the old cannon, the original cannon that's the set has. So it rotates 360 degrees. It also goes up and down. And then this part is a handle, so you can lift the tank so you can carry it easily. So nice thing, it's a very nice thing that Lego made. And there's also a cannon here and another one here on the other side. So this is a custom cannon that I made. So this tank is very loaded with weapons. So I also made some design here. I put some black and red plates and more dark gray parts to make it look like for the Bad Batch. Some exhaust parts. So this is the front part of the tank. So I made these designs to match the side parts of the tank. And this one is actually from a TIE fighter set. And more cannons on the bottom part of the tank. So you can open this and close. Close this one. And in this part, I also made a logo of the Bad Batch. It's supposed to be a skull, but I don't know what happened. So let's take a look of this part of the tank. So you can open this, you can close and open, and also this part. So let's take a look. So you can see there's a control panel and a seat for one minifigure, two weapon racks, so you can adjust this one and also do this one also. And let's proceed to this part. So it's just a small storage. Also, a storage needs a storage box. So let's put it, and let's proceed to this part of the tank. This is my favorite part of the tank. So you can see inside. So there's a droid and a custom speeder bike. So I made that one. And then if you look the other side, so let's rotate it. So I also made some weapon racks for this. So this is a Gatling gun, a blaster, and a sniper rifle. So there's the droid and the rear part of the speeder bike, and there's also a small storage. And for this let's open it. For this last part of the turbo tank, there's a control panel and a steering wheel. So it can fit 2 minifigures inside. So there you have it. This is the front area of the turbo tank. So this is how it looks when you open it all. So there you have it. And now it's time to put these minifigures into their respective areas of the turbo tank. So let's start with the pilot. So Tech is the most intelligent of them, so crosshairs also, the text co-pilot, and these are their helmets, so let's put it inside the storage. And this is a text gun. For the cannon, so we need this strongman to drive. So now there's wrecker in the front area cannon of the tank. Oops. And echo should be on the rear part. Let's remove it. And this helmet also. Now let's close it. And for the speeder bike, so let's go speeder bike. We will put Sergeant Hunter for the speeder bike. So that's perfect. So now let's close it. This is officer's man. And there you go. This is the Bad Batch clone turbo tank. So it looks cool, and also looks dangerous. That's it. So there you go. I hope you liked this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and watch my other videos, especially the stop motion videos that I've made. And there's also custom minifigure, as you can see. And that's all. Thank you very much for watching. This is Bad Creatives. So goodbye and have a great day ahead.